VLOOKUP is probably the most used formula in Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a VLOOKUP in Python. So what I'm trying to do basically is find the favorite ice cream of each character over here based on a mapper that I have here that shows me the character and favorite ice cream. And I want to get that information and add it to this table over here alongside the favorite color of that character. So in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, how I would do this is a simple VLOOKUP formula where I select the key and then the mapper and then select the column number and then 0 for exact match. And there you have it. So what that does is it basically pulls the favorite ice cream of each character based on this table over here. So in Python, this works slightly differently, but that's not to say it's very complicated. So we'll start by importing Pandas over here. What we want to do is recreate these tables in our Pandas data frames. So what I'm going to do first is create this first table. So that will be data frame 1, and I will basically manually specify the values over here and store it in df1, and then we will call df1.head to preview the data. Perfect. Now we will do the same with the second data frame and run that as well. So now I have both tables stored in two different data frames. So next what we'll do is create our mapper by storing this second data frame in a dictionary. So how we'll do that is store df2.setIndex, and then we want our key to be character, so we will be using character as the common kind of link between the two tables. And then at the same time we want to fetch the favorite ice cream, which is this column over here, and then we're going to store this into a dictionary called ice cream map. So I'm going to run that, and then the last step would just be to map your favorite ice cream to df1 using the character column. So what we'll do is in our first data frame, we will create a new column called favorite ice cream. And then what we'll store in that column is basically the ice cream that will be fetched from this dictionary based on the character column as the common link between the two. And then we'll go ahead and preview the table. And there you have it. We were basically able to recreate this table over here using Python. So what we essentially did using these two lines of code is a VLOOKUP. In Python, it's called map, which basically means you're using a column in one table to map to those values of another table. So there you have it, as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.